This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get ETH address on crypto. Com, easy method. Open the crypto. Com app, sign in, tap wallet, choose Ethereum, then tap receive to copy or share your ETH address safely. Verify the address by checking the first and last 4 characters before copying. Use the QR code for quick scans, and always double-check network selection to avoid sending tokens on the wrong chain. Stay cautious and practice on small amounts first. Open the Ethereum wallet section, then tap receive to display your ETH address and a QR code for convenience. Copy the address using the copy button, or allow another device to scan the QR code to avoid typing errors. Always confirm the address visually by checking the first and last 4 characters, and ensure the network shown is Ethereum. For extra safety, paste the address into a note to confirm it matches before sending funds. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick crypto guides. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which is handy during long trading or troubleshooting sessions and adds a bit of comfort to your setup. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your ETH by using small test transfers and strong app security. Double-check the pasted address against the one shown in the app to catch clipboard malware or typos. Use biometric login and a passcode for extra protection, and avoid sharing your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. If you receive an unusual deposit request, pause and verify via official support channels. These habits keep your crypto safer and reduce costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.